Problem 3, slope, distance, midpoint. Slope is simply rise over run. Well, how do we get that? Well, because in a picture, it's easy to do rise over run. Well, if you're rising up, you're simply looking at the difference of your y's divided by your running over. That's movement left and right. That's just the change in your x's. So all I have to do is subtract my y's over subtracting my x's. I'm going to start here with the 12. So I do 12 minus the other y value of 4. Since I started with the 12, I must start with the 6. Right? Whatever point you start with, you have to use that y and that x value. So 6 minus the 2. So we have 8 over 4. We have a slope of 2. The steepness of that line, it goes up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. The distance, well, the distance is nothing but the Pythagorean theorem, which is the one leg square, your horizontal leg when you're doing this. Basically, you're looking for that length from there to there. This right here is the change in your x's. The height is simply the difference in your height values, which will give you that leg. So it's the one leg squared plus the other leg squared. And then once you add them together, you take the square root. That's where the formula comes from. We've discussed that. So change my x's. 6 and 2 has a difference of 4. Y's 4 and 12 has a difference of 8. So we have 16 and 64 together. It's a square root of 80. 9 times 9 is 81. So it's a little less than 9. So this is about 8.9. Okay, that's fine. You have a calculator. I don't. I'm just making an approximation. Midpoint. It's the middle of your x's and the middle of your y's. How do you find the middle of anything? You find the average. You add them together. You divide by 2. So we're going to add our x's together and divide by 2 and add our y's together. So the formula, x plus 1, x plus 2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So adding our x's together, 2 plus 6 divided by 2. Add our y's together, 4 and 12 divided by 2. So I have 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the middle of the x's is 4. The middle of the y's is 8. There's problem 3.